Hello everyone, and welcome to our 6th video in the Parts of Speech series. In this video, we are going to learn about adverbs, their definition, examples, main types, and some other important forms. So, let's get started from its definition, which is: an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a whole sentence. It usually tells how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something happens. Now let's discuss how adverbs describe a verb, an adjective, and another adverb or a whole sentence. Let's move to examples. First, we're going to know how adverbs describe a verb. Here we have example. He runs quickly. Here the underlined word quickly is an adverb. It modifies the verb runs. It tells us how he runs. Therefore, the adverb adds more information about the action, so here it proved that adverb modifies verb. Let's move toward another example. In definition we also mention that adverb describes an adjective. Let's prove it. How an adverb describes an adjective. Here we have an example. She is very beautiful. Here the underlined word very is an adverb. It modifies the adjective beautiful. It tells us how beautiful she is and increases the intensity of the adjective. Therefore, it is also proving that adverb describes an adjective. So, let's move towards another example. In above definition we also discuss that adverb also describes another adverb. So, let's discuss it. Here we have a sentence. She runs very quickly. In this sentence, quickly is an adverb describing the verb runs. The word very is another adverb that modifies quickly. It tells us how quickly she runs, making the meaning stronger. To make the meaning stronger, adverb modifies another adverb, so it is also cleared. Now how an adverb describes the whole sentence. Let's discuss by an example. Fortunately, we arrived on time. Here the word fortunately is an adverb that modifies the entire sentence. It expresses the speaker's feeling or opinion about the situation. It shows that arriving on time was a good or lucky event. So here an adverb which is fortunately modifies the entire sentence, so here we explained the definition within example. I hope you got something special from it. So, let's move on to the types of adverbs. In this video, we will simply introduce and name the main types of adverbs that are commonly used in English grammar. Understanding these types will help you see how adverbs add more meaning and detail to sentences. The main types of adverbs are: adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree. Some other types are: adverbs of conjunction, adverbs of affirmation, adverbs of evaluation, adverbs of certainty, adverbs of negation, adverbs of comparison, adverbs of duration, adverbs of sequence. It was types of adverbs. In our upcoming videos we will discuss all of them in detail. So, that was all about adverbs and how they work in English grammar. If you haven't watched our previous lessons on parts of speech, don't worry. The links to all the earlier videos are available in the description below. These include lessons on parts of speech, introduction, nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adjectives. Make sure to check them out so you can understand the topic step by step.